Here we are, question 3. A new computer loses a third of its value every year. Okay, so basically if you buy a computer, it's like going to be top of the line, state-of-the-art technology. And each year, as it gets older, they're coming out with newer, nicer computers that are faster and have new features that one that you bought. So each year it's going down in value. And they didn't tell us what this thing started at, but I'm just gonna, let's pretend that somebody paid $1,000 for this computer, right? So I wrote this down here in green. I said, if we started at 1,000, we got this rate of change at 2/3. Why is it 2/3? Well, let me tell you what's going on here, right? Let's pretend we got a pizza with 3 slices on it. Let's just say those are 3 equal slices, okay? And if you're losing 1/3, let's take away 1/3 of this. Each year we take away 1/3. Well, how much is left, right? Well, guess what? I still got 2 slices out of the 3 of my pizza because one of them got eaten. They took away 1/3 of my value of this computer. So guess what? I got left 2/3. So each year we're going to multiply by 2/3. But we're not too worried about that. You just need to realize that this computer is decreasing in value. It's going down. And this whole unit, all we've been studying is exponential functions. So when you see a straight line like this is linear. This would be if they just kept subtracting. Now, it sounds like maybe they're subtracting 1/3 of the value each year. But because the computer is becoming less and less valuable, that 1/3 becomes smaller and smaller. We're multiplying, we're not subtracting 1/3. We're multiplying by 2/3. Because that 1/3 is going to change each year. We're not going to subtract 1/3 of the original value. That wouldn't make any sense. We're dealing with exponential growth. And they just want you to realize that anytime we're talking about exponentials, it's not going to be a straight line. These two are linear functions. This is a linear function. It's linear because they call it linear because it's a straight line. And it's got this constant slope. But this one's going down. This b is this linear function that's increasing in value. It's got a constant slope that's positive. So my only 2 choices are the exponential graphs. They really want us to recognize the classic shape of an exponential graph. If it's going downhill, it's looking like this. If it's going uphill, it gets faster and faster and steeper as it goes up. So what are we going to do? Are we going down? Is this computer getting more valuable, like in D? No, it's getting less valuable because it's getting older and more obsolete each year that passes. So here's our exponential decay. The computer is declining in value. C is our answer. C, senor. Circle C for exponential decay. Don't go with the straight line, whatever you do.